Hi there, Jessie here for OpusFlow. Welcome back to another video. Today I will show you where you can find a list of all your projects and how you can find the project you're looking for. Let's get started. To find a list of all your projects, you need to go to the Projects module and click on All Projects. And there you have it. In order to find the project you're looking for, you can either use the search box over here or this filter button over here. Let's start with the search box. So let's say I'm looking for a project with this contact name. So I'm just typing in the name here. And as you can see, the software shows me the projects that I have with this name. And to create a filter, you just need to click on this button over here and build your own filter, let's say. Let's say, again, I want to find the two projects that I just founded. So I'm going to say the name is Diego. And as you can see, the software again shows me those two projects. And if you want to save a filter that you created, you can just easily click on Filter Templates and just give it a name. So we say name Diego. You can also pick a name, pick a color for it, and click on create. And as you can see, I have created a new filter template. See you in the next video.